Given an integer array numbers and a integer value, remove all occurrences of val and nums in place. The order of the elements may be changed. Then the number of elements in nums. Then return the number of elements in nums not equal to val. Consider the number not equal to val to be k. You need to do the following: change the number of arrays. This is pretty similar. Pretty similar solution here. So it's just what we're comparing it to is different. And we could look at the constraints again. Okay. We're gonna do this. These should be lets. Nums dot length and length. We're gonna go through every element. I++. And pretty much if nums sub I equals val, then we'll say insert hat is going to be 0 initially. We might not need length. I think what we need is insert at, which we could just call it length, fine. And we'll have an else. I believe we'll have an else. So if the num is equal to the val, we don't want it. So we probably just want to do that. And we'll say nums sub length equals nums sub I. And then we'll say length plus plus. Basically, going through the loop, if we find something that is not the value, the target value, then we're going to insert it into the array. Insert that element into the array at the end of the array, keeping track of length. And we're just going to run it. We do pass the test cases, and let's just submit it. This is a big O n algorithm based on the number of elements. And we hit the 100%, which is perfect. You can see what other people have done, and they, interestingly enough, they did a 4 of here. So just, they had, I guess, technically kind of less variables. I feel like their code might actually be, I mean, ours is 0 millisecond, but I feel like their code might be faster. Yeah. Okay.